Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and in front of me I have the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro, a durable and foldable power chair you can only take anywhere, but you can store anywhere. It's packed full of so many more features than its competitors, so let's come in and take a closer look. When purchasing a mobility product, ease of use and functionality are the most important needs, and the Foldalite has really taken care of this. If you look closely here, you've got this cool little notch. I can lift this up, and from here I have instant access to the chair. Of course, if mobility is an issue, they've also made the armrests really adjustable, so I can lift this up, sit in, I can slide just straight into the chair, making it really accessible. What's also great and unusual for a folding chair is you have these cool thigh guards, just giving you that extra bit of support, or of course, protection here for the knees, just helping to keep those legs in place. Really, really good. Let's go and have a look at some of the other features. Standing out from its competitors, this chair has a dual sequence lithium-ion battery that's smartly built right into the chassis here. If I just push this button, I can then slide both these batteries out, because there's one on either side. And these can be charged simultaneously within the chair and outside with the adapter that comes with it, which allows you to keep this in storage if needs be. And why this stands out against its competitors is because most other chairs, you can only charge one battery at a time, and you don't want to be left short when you're out shopping or going anywhere. For a foldable and such an affordable chair, they've packed a whole lot of technology within this controller. If you come here and take a closer look, this thing will actually talk to you. Welcome. How cool is that? And then you've got here, you've got your full power display, speed. You've got a menu that delivers all these functions, everything from your sound. You can go down here in different modes. This is set in soft for your driving, but this can be changed to normal, or of course more powerful for a comfortable ride to suit you. And what's really unique is you've got this SOS system. If you're ever caught in a panic, you can hold this down and it will set off a signal, allowing for people to come to your need if you need that attention. And not only that, it comes with a USB charger here on the side so you can charge your phone. This here is fully adjustable with a simple lever, this clamping, and so you can put it exactly where you want it, or you can even take it off and store it away if you're being pushed. What a chair, what a product. So there you have it, the Foldalite and Foldalite Pro, the foldable and durable power chair that you can store anywhere and take anywhere. And with this unique folding system and of course extensive battery life, it's suitable for home and for taking away traveling. If you want a full assessment, you know where to find us. It's here in store at home. Our number is 01702 417 088. And of course, our website, lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. We will see you soon.